Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang aking mga alaga. Nandyan na sila sa ibabaw ko. Paano kanyan magpapahinga guys? Nandyan sila nangungulit. Ay nako. Ayan, si Jerry. Ayan, nakadantay na sila sa tiyan ko guys. Pahinga lang ako kunti pero nandyan na sila sa ibabaw ko. Grabing kulit nila guys. And si Jerry. Hi Jerry. Yan, nagdila-dila naman yan si Jerry sa akin, oy. Ay, sus, agoy. Agoy man, oy, Jerry, oy. No, stop. So, ayan guys, malapit nang darating ang aking mga amo. On 14, nandito na yung amo kong isa. Yung may-ari dito. Iwan ko lang dyan sa baba guys kung kailan sila darating. Ayan, rest muna tayo. Kakapagod guys. Work always. Kailan kaya tayo guys yayaman nang makapagpahinga naman tayo sa banat buto. Masaka pa. Hi. Bless Sunday evening to all of us. It's again Monday tomorrow. And sorry guys, I'm so tired. I feel so tired, but I have to go. Coming up to look at my kittens. I need to play with them, but I feel like want to lie down. I feel so tired. So, yan guys. Have blessed evening to everyone. Keep safe and be happy. Bye guys. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe sa mga hindi pa yan nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are updated to my new upload. Bye guys. Love you all. Mwah.